Understanding, Stay Updated, a guide for English language learners. Hello everyone, welcome to our new English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore the phrase, stay updated. This common English expression is not just useful in everyday conversation but also crucial in the fast-paced world we live in. So, let's dive in and understand what it means and how you can use it effectively. Stay updated is a phrase that means to continuously receive or seek out the latest information about a particular topic or situation. It implies actively keeping oneself informed about recent developments or changes. This phrase is often used in the context of news, technology, or any field where frequent updates are common. News and media. In the realm of news and media, staying updated means regularly checking news sources or following media outlets to keep abreast of current events. Technology and trends. In technology, it refers to keeping up with the latest gadgets, software updates, or technological trends. Personal and professional development. For personal or professional development, it involves continuously learning new skills, understanding industry changes, or following thought leaders. 1. I always stay updated with the latest news by reading online articles. 2. Our team stays updated with the newest software to maintain efficiency. 3. To stay updated in my field, I attend webinars and workshops. In today's fast-moving world, staying updated is crucial. It helps you remain knowledgeable, competitive, and relevant in your personal and professional life. It also enables you to make informed decisions and participate actively in discussions on various topics. I hope this video has helped clarify the meaning and importance of the phrase, stay updated. Remember, in a world where things change rapidly, staying informed is key. Keep learning, keep growing, and of course, stay updated. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next lesson.